Hello dear students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's start our today's online session of Standard 9th Mathematics. And today in the Unit 13 Surface Area and Volume, we will see the different solutions of the exercise 30.3. So let's see. See here, in this question, diameter of the base of the cone is 10.5 cm and its slant height is 10 cm. We have to find its curved surface area. Now curved surface area, the formula for curved surface area is pi r L. So diameter is given, we have to find out the radius, that is d by 2. So it is 5.25. Slant height L is given 10 cm. Substitute the value and calculate the answer. The answer is 165 centimeter square. Don't forget to write the unit because it is important. Now in the second question, we have to find the total surface area of the cone. If its slant height is 21 meter and the diameter of its base is 24 meter, we have to find out the total surface area. First of all, we must know the total surface area and its formula of the cone, that is pi r L plus r. Now write the values which are given. L equals to 21 meter, diameter is 24, therefore radius is 12 meter. Substitute the value, calculate it. We will get TSA of the cone as 1244.57 meters square. Don't forget to write the unit. In the third question, you can see CSO of the cone is given, that is 308 centimeter square and its slant height is 14 centimeter. We have to find the radius of the base and total surface area of the cone. Here length equals to slant height equals to 14 centimeter. CSA is equal to 308 centimeter square. R is question mark, that we have to find out. CSA of cone equals to pi r L. Substitute the value. We will get, after calculation, r is equal to 7 and therefore the base radius of the cone is 7 centimeter. Now the second, we have to find out the TSA of the cone. So TSA is nothing but pi r L plus r. Now we know the value of r. So what we will do? We will substitute of r L and then we calculate it. We will get TSA of the cone as 462 centimeter square. Now in the fourth question, a conical tent of 10 meter high is given, that is height is given, and the radius of its base is 24 meter. We have to find out the slant height, that is L, and the cost of the canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. Now here H equals to 10 meter and R equals to 24 meter. So we have L square equal to H square plus R square, because L, H and R forms a right angle triangle if you will remember the figure of the cone. Substitute the value. We will get L as square root of 676, that is 26. 676 is the square of 26. So the slant height is 26 meter. Now curved surface area of the tent is pi r L. Calculate it. We will get its value. Now the cost of the canvas required is, for 1 meter it is rupees 70. So for total meter how many? So what we will have to do? We will have to multiply 70 by the total surface, that is CSA of the tent. So calculate it by multiplying and the CSA of the tent. We will get rupees 1,37,280 as the answer, that is the cost required for the canvas to make the tent. In this way we have to solve the question. Now here, what is the length of the tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to to make conical tent of height 8 meter and the base radius 6 meter. Assume that the extra length of the material that will be required for stitching margins and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. Now here we have to use pi equals to 3.14 because it is mentioned. If not mentioned, either we can use 22/7 or 3.14. Now h equals to 6 meter and r is equal to 8 meter. So find out the slant that equals to 10 meter. Now CSA of the tent is pi r l. Substitute the value, we will get the answer. Now the required length of tarpaulin is plus extra, that is stitching margin and wastage margin, that also we have to make addition of these two. So CSA plus extra, that is it is given in centimeter, so we have to convert it into meter. So it is 20 centimeter means 0.2 meter. So 62.8 meter plus 0.2 meter means the total is 63 meter tarpaulin is required to make the conical tent. Now the slant height and the base diameter of a conical tomb are 25 meter and 14 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing its CSA cut surface at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meter square. Means for 100 meter square area we have to the cost of the painting is washing is 210. L is 25 meter, R is equal to diameter divided by 2 meter equals to 7 meter. CSA of the tomb is pi r l. So substitute value, calculate the answer. The answer is 550 meter square. Now cost of whitewashing is 210 per 100 meter square. So 210 upon 100 into 550. Calculate and the answer is rupees 1155. So this is the total cost of whitewashing the cut surface area of the conical tomb. Now here a joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone of base radius 7 cm and the height 24 cm. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. Now here r is equal to 7 cm and h equals to 24 cm. So calculate L equals to, that L is nothing but 25 cm by calculation. TSA of the one cap is pi RL. So its answer is 550 centimeter square. Now we have to make 10 such caps. So cost of one cap multiplied by 10 gives you the total cost of area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. So cost of TSA of one cap is 550 multiplied by 10, that gives you 5500 centimeter square. So this much area required to make 10 such caps. A bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones made up of recycled cardboard. Each cone has a base diameter of 40 cm and height 1 meter. If the outer side of each of the cones is to be painted and the cost of painting is rupees 12 meter per square, what will be the cost of painting all these cones? Now here already some values are given that we have to use while calculating. So calculate the slant height. R is given, that is R is not given actually, diameter is given, so we can divide diameter by 2, we will R. H is given, height is given, substitute this value, we will get L as 1.02 meter. Now cut surface area of one cone is pi RL. So 50 cone means 50 into pi RL. Substitute the value, we will get 32.02 meter square. Now cost of painting an area of 1 meter square equals to rupees 12, and therefore total cost of painting the total CSA of 50 cone is 12 multiplied by the total CSA. That gives you approximately, as it is in decimal, rupees 384.3. So this is the answer.
Thank you, dear students. Have a nice day.